Welcome back to the Bitchin Bowl challenge. Today we will be doing a Chicken Berbere Bowl. It's gonna be so good. And because the millet takes the longest to cook, we're gonna start with that. I'm going to toast this millet in a little bit of oil. 1 cup going in there. I'm gonna diligently be scraping it around, and then I'm gonna add 3 cups of water, and then our millet is gonna be simmering for the rest of the video. Another component on our bowl is going to be delicious lentils. I have some broth in here. This is very simple. You have a quart of broth, popping in 2 cups of lentils, and then I'm going to add some aromatics. I'm adding some garlic. I'm gonna add some of this onion. I like to take like the ends. They just go right in. You know, you're getting that flavor from the skin of the onions. It's very easy to fish out. I'm gonna add a few more things to it. I think I'm gonna add like some allspice, a nice little slice of ginger, and a bunch of salt. And that's gonna taste delicious. I'm gonna put it onto a simmer and let it cook for about 15 minutes. We have to make our spice mix. It shall be paprika, cumin, cardamom, turmeric, adding some cinnamon, some allspice, and some ginger, and it's going to be our perfect spice blend for our chicken. The chicken has been salted and peppered with love. I'm going to mix this together, douse that in that, and then I'm going to fry it. I have this great oil. It says use this for cooking. I like it when I get direct instructions like that. So we're gonna fry this chicken in the spice blend, and then we're going to pop it in the oven. I'm going to throw these delights into the pot of the leftover delicious chicken fry oil. There is an order that you should do this. Onion first, then carrot, then garlic, then ginger. As soon as I've put it in there and everything's looking pretty much good, I'm going to add a little bit of broth, put the chicken back into the pot, and then I'm gonna whack that pot in the oven. I am now preparing my mustard greens. I'm stripping them off the stalk. And how do you eat it? Well, you saute it, and then you serve it alongside a delicious bowl. It's assembly time. I have my millet. I have my beautiful beluga lentils. I'm now going to douse these in sauce. First, you start with the Bombay. Then you get the heat, just a little heat. And then I'm going to top this with my mustard greens and the chicken. Well, folks, it's come down to it. It's our Ethiopian Berbere Bowl. It looks so good, and I can't wait to try it. This is so good. Millet, top choice. Mustard greens, a must. Thankful for you, thankful for the bowl. I hope you have a bitchin' day.